If you want to set up SmartThings on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you can open the app drawer and go into the Samsung folder. In here we can find the SmartThings app, and of course we can open it. Now if you open it for the first time, you will need to grant certain permissions, so of course we're going to tap on continue, then more, and continue again. And now we have the introduction to the app, so of course you can check that out. You can keep tapping in order to go through additional information. And you can also tap on skip in the upper right corner in order to just proceed to the app. Of course, it is recommended to allow the app to access location. So in my case, I'm going to choose only this time. I'm going to grant all necessary additional permissions in here. We can also see the map view of our house, of course, as the app suggests us. And now we can, of course, keep adding we can start adding new devices. So here in the upper right corner, we can use this plus and we can choose add device. You should be able to choose whether you have a Samsung device or other partner devices. You can also scan a QR code, or we can scan nearby devices in order to try to find them like that. And of course, if you go into these into one of these options, then you can try to find whatever you want to add, and then you should be able to follow the rest of the instructions in order to add a device. We can also add a service as well. So as you can see, we have a couple of services. So if they work in your country, for example, or in your area, then of course you should be able to use them quite easily. We can create a routine, and we can also invite members of our family, or people who live in our home, and they should be able to access all devices as well. In here, we should also be able to switch to devices at the bottom of the screen. And here we have the list of our rooms. So of course we can decide if the device of your choice is actually in the living room, maybe it's in the kitchen, maybe it's in the bathroom, and so on and so forth. So of course you should be able to switch between these categories. You can also go to all devices if needed in order to find all your devices that you have added into your home. And if you press plus here in the upper right corner, we can of course add a new device just like before. And if you tap on the three dots here in the upper right corner, we can manage our rooms. So you can add more rooms, or you can get rid of those that you actually don't have or don't need. And besides that, I can recommend you checking out the life category, where we can find some additional information about these services. We can also go to routines if you want to create an automation that is going to work with your devices that you added into the SmartThings app. In here in menu in the bottom right corner, we can find some additional options, like for example supported devices. We can tap on explore in order to let our app show us and suggest us some of the features. And of course we have the information about how to use the app, and we have notices and settings here in the upper right corner, so be sure to check that out. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.